In this video, we're going to take a look at estimating using system of equations. So let's take a look at this problem. This says that two rental car companies are running specials this month. At Scott's Rentals, customers will pay $40 to rent a mid-size car for the first day, plus $4 for each additional day. At Silver Grove Rental Car, the price of a mid-size car is $30 for the first day and $5 for every additional day. All right, so I've actually graphed the different car rentals. You can see here in red is the Scott's Rentals Company, where you start at $40 and then it's $4 a day, and you'll see after 10 days it's another $40, so we're at $80. And then it keeps going, this red. And then in blue is the other company, Silver Grove Rentals. Well, you start at $30, which is a little cheaper, but then it goes up $5 a day. So then after 10 days, it is also at $80 with an additional $30, and then it just keeps going up. So what I want you to notice about this graph and be able to estimate is to determine like which company would be cheaper at a certain number of days. So if it's between 0 and 5 days, you can see here that it would be cheaper to be using the Silver Grove rental. All right, it's cheaper, but then at some point, which here at 10 days, it's exactly the same price to use either Scott's Rentals or Silver Grove. At 10 days, you would pay $80 each. But then it would begin to switch to where if you were using Silver Grove after 10 days, it would be more expensive. So you could estimate and determine which company would you rather go with based on the number of days in which you would be renting. So that's how we use a graphed system of equations to determine some different information that you need to be able to understand how to gather from reading at the graphs and understanding the solution of that system.